Her friend Mary. It's her birthday today. There she is. Just like a bird of prey sitting on a chair. It's her birthday. The species celebrates her birthday by sitting in the kitchen, smoking a fag, and reading a provisional theory license thing book. You can get quite close to this animal without scaring it away, but you have to stay quite quiet. Oh, she's getting a bit close for me. I don't like that. Oh, shit! She's putting her defences up. I think I'll get out of here. I must look. There's the coincidence. Right, time to go.